Being rich is a common goal for many people, but achieving wealth is not an easy task. Specific financial practices must be adopted to achieve this goal. Here are 5 tips that can help achieve wealth. Firstly, saving and investing is one of the most important things one can do to increase their chances of financial success. This means cutting unnecessary expenses and putting the saved money into investments that can generate long-term profit. Over time, these investments can accumulate and help build wealth. Secondly, it is important to work hard and strive for success. Being rich does not come for free and requires a lot of dedication and hard work. It is important to specialize in your field of work, have unique skills, and seek business opportunities that can generate significant financial returns. Thirdly, it is important to manage your money well. Make a budget and do not spend more than you earn. Seek alternative sources of income, diversify your investments, and have a long-term financial plan. This helps control your expenses and invest in your financial future. Fourthly, create value and innovate. Be creative and innovative in your business ventures. Create quality products and services that meet market needs. Always seek to improve and offer different and better solutions than those already existing. This can help generate profit and build wealth. Lastly, it is important to learn from mistakes. Do not be afraid to fail and make mistakes, but always learn from them. Analyze your financial decisions and seek to understand where you went wrong and what you could have done better. This will help avoid the same mistakes in the future and make smarter decisions regarding your money. By adopting these 5 financial practices, one can increase their chances of achieving wealth. It is not an easy process, but with dedication and planning, it is possible to build a solid financial future and achieve financial goals.